Have you ever wondered how the Hadza tribe gets all the meat they eat without a single modern hunting tool? No guns, no traps, just pure instinct and ancient skill. This video will blow your mind. Let's take you deep into the wild to witness how one of the last hunter-gatherer tribes on Earth survives. Every single day. Meet the Hadza, one of the last true hunter-gatherer tribes on Earth. No supermarkets, no technology, just skill, instinct, and a handmade bow. They don't just hunt, they become the hunt. Blending into nature like shadows, they track animals by reading the land. Every footprint, every sound, every breeze. Their arrows? Carved by hand and dipped in poison made from desert rose sap. Deadly enough to bring down an antelope in minutes. After the shot, the chase begins. They can track a wounded animal for hours, using nothing but ancient knowledge passed down through generations. And when the hunt is over, it's never just for one person. It's for the tribe. Every part of the animal is used. Nothing is wasted. This isn't just survival. It's tradition. It's unity. It's life the way it was thousands of years ago. If this amazed you, subscribe to Nature's Tribe of Hadza for more real stories of survival, spirit, and the wild. Because some truths are too raw to ignore.